Welcome to the Gadget 360 show, and once again I've been able to pull it off. Yes, an incredible plethora, a very, very different array of products for you today. We'll start off with this LG's brand new projector, the HU810P. It can do many things, including an incredible operating system built into it. But I think the big deal with this is that if you want to go big, and I mean really big, 300 inches big. You know, some multiplexes that you go to have screens much smaller than that. So if you want a bigger than bigger thing, then this could be the way to go. We'll talk a lot more about this. Then we'll move on to a very important category, something everyone's talking about. A lot of you have been asking about this. This is a gadget. It's a 3-in-1 spray for your gadget. So it'll disinfect it, it'll protect it, it'll clean it, and it's predominantly made just for gadgets. And I'll actually demo how to use it, because there is a right and a wrong way of doing it. And exactly what does it really do? I mean, the claim is kills 99.9% bacteria and viruses, but what does that really mean? And I think it's also time to talk about a very important aspect of most people's life, online dating. For the last 1 year, that's completely and dramatically changed. But organizations and apps like Bumble are still very, very proactive. And they're really evolving into what I believe is the next generation of online dating. We'll actually talk to Preeti Joshi, the Vice President of Global Strategy and Operations at Bumble. And I'll also tell you what they're doing with taking forward more safety, more privacy, more security for online dating.
In an effort to improve the experience for YouTube creators, the video posting platform is testing out new designs. One such experiment is for a design that will hide the dislike count that appears below the videos. YouTube team has highlighted how dislike counts may sometimes motivate a targeted campaign, which can impact a creator's well-being.
And our top story, this is the LG HU810P. If you've noticed, we've started to concentrate a lot on projectors. I think we've done about 3 projectors in the last month or 2. That's because this is a category that is really becoming important, because I think almost every disadvantage that a projector has or used to have has completely and totally now been obliterated with this new generation. For instance, this one has pretty much everything. I mean, look at it. The size, it's not too heavy. Mount it anywhere. You can have it as a tabletop, just like I have it right now. If you have the right amount of distance, this can pull off 300 inches and still a super, super bright screen.
With the projector sales spiking upwards these days, we are seeing a sudden surge in the variety of products being offered. And usually, variety does translate into better innovations. So today on the show, we are reviewing one such innovative projector from LG, the Cinebeam HU810P. The latest projector in LG's well-reputed Cinebeam lineup, it supports 4K resolution and uses a laser light source to project images. With LG claiming it to be one of the best machines in this segment, it is time to test it out for ourselves and judge if it is worth all the hype. LG has followed a minimalist approach when it comes to the design for the HU810P. The projector supports a nice and clean white color that suits its profile and definitely gives a premium appeal. Admittedly, if we go strictly by aesthetics, it is safe to say that the unit will look great with all kinds of decor. The design is also quite practical, since we get adjustable legs on the bottom that help in adjusting its height. This combination of minimalism and practicality continues on the connectivity front as well. Neatly placed at the back of the projector, we get 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB Type-A ports, an optical audio output port, and an Ethernet jack. Once turned on, we are greeted with LG's proprietary WebOS that the projector runs on. One of the better OS that we have come across on a projector, both in terms of animation and fluidity. We found it really easy to toggle around the menu and had a lag-free experience while we did so. The well-developed OS comes with preloaded applications like Amazon Prime and Hungama Play. A user can also download more apps from LG's content store. Now that we are familiar with how this projector works, it's time to use it for what this is made for: watching movies. Selecting the 4K cut of our favorite sci-fi blockbusters, we decided to sit back and let the projector do its job. From the first scene itself, we realized how bright the image output was. The projected images were also color accurate, and we could notice each and every detail while we watched our movies. Usually, DLP projectors lag behind when it comes to black levels, but that isn't the case with the HU810P. This can be credited to its adaptive contrast feature and a mechanical iris. A projector essential is also the multiple picture modes that it comes with. And yes, we do get a variety of those on the HU810P. While most of them do bring in a distinct image output, we found the cinema mode to be the best for our testing. But it's not just the video quality that helps to deliver a true cinematic experience, since audio is also equally important. Unfortunately, this is where the 810p struggles a bit. We do get a 5-watt dual speaker setup on board with Dolby Atmos support that delivers a satisfactory performance, but we would recommend connecting external speakers for a better experience. LG bundles its signature Magic Remote with the HU810p, and standing true to its name, this controller doesn't only look great, but also comes with practical features like backlit keys. Additionally, with an inbuilt microphone, the user can control the projector via voice commands, the results of which were satisfactory. And with that, it is time for the verdict. LG has done a great job with the HU810p. The projector features all the trending tech that you would expect from a premium product while staying true to its promise of delivering great image quality thanks to its advanced laser light source. What makes this an even better deal is the 20,000 hours of lamp life being promised by LG. That being said, at Rs 2,80,000, this might not cut the bill for a general consumer. But if you are out there looking to buy a projector, then we would suggest you check it out.